So this is random, but I'm supposed to link up with Black Figure on IG for a photo shoot concept at some point in time. Today is October 26th, by the way. And y'all know I love flowers, like roses and sunflowers and like baby's breath. Like flowers are just like so pretty to me. And I want to do a photo shoot where it's like all flowers, and I want to make an outfit out of flowers. How I'm gonna figure out how to do that, I don't know, but I just decided I would record this video just in case I figure that shit out. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's gonna involve, you know, of course, some fake flowers and a hot glue gun, but how I'm gonna put that together, I don't know yet. So take the journey with Big Saucy, and we're gonna see if this shit either be hot or a hot ass mess. You feel what I'm saying? So what's up, y'all? I forgot to show y'all the unboxing of all my stuff that I'm using to make this outfit. So yeah, just disregard if the box is already open, act like you never seen it, because you haven't technically. So yeah, so bada bing bada boom. Okay, we got the shoes. Come on. You see that? And would you believe, bitch, it's from Shein. Yeah. Now, some Shein shoes be kind of, you know, on the quality, but these look like they was pretty sturdy, so get you some. And the crown is from these folks on Amazon. I'm gonna try to remember to, well, if I don't tear the box up first, I'm trying to remember to put the link to all this stuff in the bio. You know, we don't have to take her out all the way, but you know, she comes with the pins and the little pin loop thingies. And she got a little weight to her too. Hold on. This ain't no flimsy crown, honey. Okay, it's giving me Ice Princess. Yes. So the rest of the stuff I got from Amazon too. This is the Tulle wrapped up in a pack. 2 packs of these, because I didn't know exactly how many flowers I was gonna need. I want to say these are the 3-inch flowers, maybe 100 in a pack. Does it say 107? Yeah, 100 pack, 7cm gray. Let's see what else we got in here. What is this? This is plastic. These earrings are from Shein too. Just little rose stud earrings. Nothing too crazy. And I bought this from Amazon. It's like the little leaves. Silver leaves. 20 yards. Yeah. Nothing too extravagant. But you know, goes with the color scheme. And, what is this? Oh. Also from Amazon. The little ring cuff things, they're connected by the little chain or whatever. So yeah, and I got the pants, the brown pants, like the, I guess they're panties, I don't know what you call them, but I'm gonna show you. I got that from Fashion Nova. So don't know where I put those spandex shorts from that I got from Fashion Nova. And in one of my low-key, semi-undiagnosed ADHD fits, I always lose something. And when I lose something, I also get hyper fixated on finding it. But you know what? I'm not even going to cry because I can't find it. We're just going to let it go. We're going to let it go. Either I wear a sports bra or no bra unless the occasion is real, you know, fancy. I literally have not touched this since I don't know when, especially because it's just this off-white color. It's not nude and it's not black, so I'm hoping the way I'm gonna put the roses on here, you're not going to be able to see that it doesn't match my skin tone. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm still shitty. I can't find the fucking whatever. So for starters, I went to Walmart and got this Fabric Fusion permanent adhesive. Normally people would use hot glue, but I decided that I wanted to try out this fabric glue, see what it's hitting for. And really, there's no like rhyme or reason to how to do this. I just kind of figured it out as I went. So you want to start out by putting the glue on the back of the roses and just kind of positioning them. But in a second, you're going to see that I had to bust out the hair clips on y'all, the little crocodile, whatever you call them, to hold these in place while they dry, because they have to dry for at least, like, I think it said like 4 to 6 hours or something like that. But yeah, girl, use your resources, because yeah, that's all I had at the point in time. So yeah, and I used my little push pins with my little push pin tomato thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you be sewing, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, just use whatever you have to kind of hold them in place, because I'm telling you, before them 4 hours is up for that glue to dry, they will move and you gonna be pissed. So y'all gonna think it's ghetto, but I attached the bra to my wig head and pinned the roses down on there like that, because baby, the things was shifting a little too much for my liking, so I had to make it do what it do. But yeah. I just want to show y'all that this is why you always try on your outfits before, because I don't know if you can see that, but of course when you put the outfit on, it's going to stretch some. So that flower ripped, this one ripped, and then this one ripped. So what I might have to end up doing is gluing more roses right here. And I'm going to try to, for some of the front roses, I'm going to try to run, I don't know if I should run a stitch through them or, I don't know. But I feel like I want to add some of this in here. Maybe I'll just run this around the sides or something like that. Something like that. I don't know. But yeah. Always try on your fits if you can before you take pictures, because shit like this happens. So I forgot to show y'all, I had to end up sewing these roses on because that glue is not gonna stick when the fabric stretch. So all I'm doing is putting the needle through, like, I'm just using white thread because I didn't have gray, but putting the needle through there like that. And pulling it through, and then I'm kind of going around like 4 corners of the rose. Put it through. It's really simple. It's just tedious, and I hate that I had to do this, but then again, I didn't want to look raggedy, so yeah, here we are. Yeah, if you just put 4 stitches through the flower, it should be fine. But yeah, then when you get to the end, and this junk looks so raggedy on the inside, but it don't matter because y'all not gonna see the inside. Put it through halfway, wrap it around, pull it so it makes a knot, and then cut it off. Simple. But yeah, I had to do that for all of these. This is what it looks like on the inside. It looks crazy. But they on here though.